Hey, what's up guys, it's Lucky Luke, and yes, I am going to be demonstrating you how to hook up an Elgato HD60S and what specs really you do really need. And if you've got a higher spec, that's pretty good. All you need, is a Core i5 4th gen and quad core. Obviously you could be quad core. If it's mono, it would not take good performance into it. You will get below 60 frames, and let's go right ahead and hook it up. Okay, now all you need is an HDMI for your PlayStation 4, and I've already got the HDMI for my TV. It's coming directly to right here. Okay, that's for the TV, okay? And this is a 3.0 port. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, didn't I? This takes a 3.0 port. If you put it into a 2.0 port, it would not work. Yes, if you've got a 3.0 port, that's great. Yeah, and it will be different. This port will be different. It's newer. And let's go right ahead and plug this right into the PS4, and I will show you that. Yeah, I've got my PS4. All I need to do right now is plug this HDMI at the back, and sorry, I will be getting a better disc, hopefully. Plugged in, okay? This HDMI is plugged in. Oh yeah, this HDMI. So this is to the TV, and this is to the PS4 there, and this is to the PS4. Okay, now I've got my Elgato, right, and now for the TV, right, it'd be the out port. See that out port logo right there? There you go, it'd be right in there. So plug in the TV in the out port. Now the PS4 HDMI cable that I've got in my hand plugs into the in port, because the PlayStation has to go to the in port and out port has to go to the TV, so you can basically look at your gameplay either way. And I will tell you about this audio part right here. And now you need a chat link, and if you didn't get this cable, well, you won't get this cable either way. You have to buy this separately. If you go into the Elgato website or on eBay for cheap or whatever, type in Elgato chat link, and it will come up with this. Now all you have to do is basically, you got these two ends, and you got this one very end right here. This end goes into your Elgato. Right, yeah, if I can try and plug it in, there we go. And this end goes into your controller, and the other end, where's my headset? There you go. Go and grab one of these headsets, right? And so basically you can talk to your friends, and they can talk to you back and capture your gameplay as well at the same time. See? And as well, grab a mic for your Elgato. I will explain about that, because people do get complicated about that. I will show you. This is the best mic you can actually get. Now that's all done and dusted, you will have to go to the Game Capture HD. As well, you can do live streams on it, which is pretty cool and awesome. I'll show you how to do that as well. How to capture your music at the background. It says no capture signal right now because I haven't turned it on. I'm just going to go right ahead and just power this on. See how this is coming on and this is coming on. So basically that just captures your live stream. I know I've got my live stream command because I was doing a live stream. There we go. Set that as 1080p, 60 frames. I will show you how to do it in Bellaway. without doing it camera A, because you know it's better way if you know capture screen recording. So I'll do it that way, and I will be back. Hello, I am here. Yes. See, like I said, I wanted to do it this way because it's a lot better to explain. So here we have is my there we go, is my software that I always use for live streaming as well as gameplays, which is a good elgato to capture gameplays. And if you just want to just record, you just press that button and the bar would at the bottom will record, and if you want to live stream you press that, and this sorts out live stream commands up to 1080p 60, or you can go to this bar and then go to 60 frames, yeah, and you will actually record 60 frames as it changes for your live stream if you want to do that. This is just the live stream part, see, live streaming, and you can go into this live control room and set yourself a live, schedule yourself a live stream if you want, but I'm not going to do that. As well, you can go into here and set some things if you cannot render properly or whatever, you know what I mean, like capture stuff. If you don't have a chat link, just go into HDMI if you don't have one, but I suggest you to have a chat link. It's actually, it would change your life. I'm not saying it will literally change your life, but you know, if you don't want to talk, if you want to allow 60 frames, if you can have 60 frames on it, if it allows you, you can do that. If you want to untick that, it will change it and just come up with 30 frames instead of 60 frames per second. And if it still doesn't do it, you can always change the resolution on it, but I like to have it right here because it is good, very, very, very good right there. I think, yeah, right there. If it still doesn't do it, just go to 720p, and if it allows 60 frames, then just put it on 60 frames really. That's what I always do. Well, that's what I'm gonna do on my streams now. Let's go back into 1080 60 frames. That would do. And if these untick them, because you don't really need allow 60 frames for video preview. You might preview in the gameplay as well. You basically still gonna get 60 frames on your gameplays. It will slow down your PC, and these I'm here for other stuff. If you want to plug in your PC, you can, iPad, or other stuff that you can do, like your PlayStation 2 or whatever you can hook up with. You can do that. These pictures, you just adjust the brightness and all that, but I don't really do that because it's perfectly fine. The analog audio gain, I've turned it down because it is a bit kind of loudish, so -6 would be perfect, and profile, but I don't do that. Cropping, yes, if you got a PlayStation VR, just go into here and it will be better, because basically if you got two black lines right there, if you go into cropping, those be gone basically. If you go into here, this settings right here, you go right here and uncheck all of this if they're checked. I've ticked them all just in case, if you know this is what you will get. You untick these right here. Let me just untick them. And now updates, set this on automatically. If you do not, and it will just basically mess up. You need to keep it up to date, trust me. If you don't, it would just make it a lot harder for you, and you don't know. And the encoder, you want it on automatic. If you have it software built in or that on its own, it just won't do it. I don't know why, it just won't do it for some odd reason, but
have it like that. I'll have mine to highest quality because it can do that, but you can set yours at others if it doesn't work out for you. You just got hotkeys as well at the top. If you're not too sure if it's not updating, there we go. You just go to check for updates, but mine is already updated, as you can see. Look, I'll show you right now. It will take some time. See right here, game capture HD's new version. Disable preview. It will make it better. And if you cannot see audio, just go into start capturing, and then you will be back right here. And I don't know why that's up. I'll just turn that all the way down. There you go. Basically, if it's only a preview, you can still record. Look, I'll give you a demonstration. I'll start recording right now. Yeah, this is recording right now on this. Right. Yeah, blah blah blah. I'm sorry if this is no good of a recording right here, because it's doing loads of process at the same time because I'm recording either way. There, see? Once that's done, like right here, you just get this bar right here for no odd reason, and you can press that if you want, but no, you don't want that. You just want it on this. But I did not enable it. I think I forgot to enable the. Oops, sorry about that. I'll skip this part for you. Sorry about that. I forgot to press OK. If you press OK, this will be gone. Sorry about that. So once you've done this, this will come up. Just MP4, yeah, just click on that, and then it would transfer it into your videos right here. And that's basically all you need to do, really. Oh, as well, I'm gonna have to show you my preview, ain't I? There you go. Make this bigger as possible. There we go. If you go into right here, yeah, right here, go into your system settings, you have to disable HDCP, because if it's enabled, it would not capture anything. It would basically come up with a red sign saying HDCP basically is on. You have to disable that to be able to work, and that's it really on that bit. And if you want to live stream, if you think about live streaming, there we go. You got music, you got game chat, team chat. Basically, if you got Skype and they got a mic, you just go into team chat and they'll just chat for you right there. And if you basically just live streaming, just go right into here, and then just go into music, and all of this will be here. And then you just go into your media player or whatnot, like non-copyrighted. If you add copyright, it's just you're done for basically. Let's turn that off because I don't really need that now. If you want overlays on your live stream, you're going to capture, enable stream command. But if you cannot take overlays, or that it does take up more than the average, if your PC cannot handle it, then don't do it at all. Okay, then just don't do it. Or if you really do want it, just get a Core i5 4th gen or higher. I'm having higher because it's me. I just like having higher. Okay. So you got your stream command. You can change it up a notch if you want. You can just add overlay. You can get scenes. You can get Black Ops 3, and then right there. Let me just go into this. I don't really use this. You just go into scene, Black Ops, and see there you got the Black Ops sign right there. You got more scenes. You got varieties scenes. You can go into here and GTA 5, and then you get that logo, which is actually pretty cool. That's it really. That's all I got really to show you about doing this. As well, yes, it does detect your if it doesn't do that, then just keep doing that, and then we'll come back for some odd reason, and then this will just randomly just come up, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial how to do Elgato, basically make a better performance out of it. Oops, ow, I just hit my head. Like, comment, subscribe. As well, I do have a website down in the description down below. Check it out, it is pretty cool, trust me. I will probably be doing Twitch streams as well, I do not know. And that's it really. I'll see you next time.